Hey there, savvy savers. Are you ready to dive into the world of saving big on prescriptions, especially when you don't have insurance? Well, you've clicked on the right video. I'm Daniel, and today we're going to explore some super cool ways to keep your wallet happy and your health in check. So, let's get started. Picture this. You're at the pharmacy and the total cost of your prescription makes your jaw drop. Sounds familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone in this. With healthcare costs reaching the sky, it's time we talk about saving on prescriptions. But the big question is, how can you save on medicines without insurance? Well, I've got some amazing tips and a top-notch recommendation for you. Introducing the superhero of prescription savings, freeprescriptiondrugs.com. This website is a game changer, and I'll tell you why it's my #1 pick. But first, let's look at some other options and their little quirks. Alright, let's talk pros and cons of popular savings options. Option 1. Prescription discount coupons, like RxSaver. They're great, but sometimes not all pharmacies accept them, and the savings might not be as huge as you'd hope. Next up, nonprofit savings programs. They're like guardian angels for your prescriptions, but keep in mind they might have specific rules on who they can help. And then, there are manufacturer coupons. Super helpful, but often limited to certain meds and not always available for the cheaper, generic versions. Ever heard of GoodRx coupons? They offer cool discounts, but prices can change, and what you see online might not always match the pharmacy price. We've also got retail pharmacy programs from places like Walgreens and Walmart. Great deals, but they might not cover the medicine you need. Considering longer prescriptions? Smart move for long-term meds, but not all of them fit this option, and insurance might not always cover it. What about comparing pharmacy prices? It's a treasure hunt for savings, but it takes time and effort. Host. Pharmacy discount cards can be handy, but watch out for fees and limited savings on certain meds. Shopping online at pharmacies? Convenient and often cheaper, but be cautious of sketchy sites and potential shipping delays. And lastly, contacting drug manufacturers directly. They might offer help, but their programs have strict rules and might not cover every medication. Now, why is freeprescriptiondrugs.com my top pick? It's simple, convenient, and offers access to over 800 medications for a low membership fee. No coupon hunting, no price comparing, just straightforward savings. So there you have it, folks. While there are many ways to save, freeprescriptiondrugs.com stands out as the easiest and most comprehensive option. It's all about staying healthy and happy without the stress of high costs. Don't forget to check out their website and see how much you can save. Until next time, keep those savings rolling and stay healthy.